malupit si 2025 so kailangan bigyan natin siya ng konting credit. So this year, my mom lost her eyesight. Nagkasakit siya so I had to go back to the Philippines. Alam niyo naman yun, 'di ba? Nung around February pa lang. Tapos April, napaalis naman yung anak ko na may autism, napaalis siya sa tinitirahan niya. So we've been, 3 months, we have been undergoing those challenges sa court. Tapos kung saan siya mapupunta permanently, papalipat-lipat siya. So nahihirapan siya na mag-adjust, syempre, na wala siyang permanent place. So very tough yung times na yun for us. Tapos around September, I lost naman my dad, 'di ba? Parang grabe yung sunod-sunod, walang pahinga. Tapos December 24, the night before Christmas, na-confine naman yung anak ko again na may autism kasi nga nahihirapan siya yung wala siyang permanent place. So nagkakaroon siya ng violent reactions towards his surroundings that he had to be taken to the emergency closed protected area sa hospital para hindi niya saktan yung sarili niya. Nito lang yun. So, few days ago. So, parang ang lupit ni 2025. So, parang for me, minsan hyper-focus tayo sa mga negative things na nangyari na nakakasakit sa atin, na nahihirapan tayo, na those are the challenges we are facing. Pero, para sa akin, I shouldn't also disregard the good things that happened this 2025. Naging educated ako sa work ko, 'di ba? Yung work ko na caregiver, naging educated ako diyan. Tapos naging VI leader ako. Ibig sabihin parang naging hindi ko ma-explain yung VI leader, but it's also about my work. Tapos naging AMR din ako, yung Abides Million Representative, dun din sa work. So marami ring mga bagay na nangyari sa buhay ko na maganda despite of the bad things as well. Parang siguro ganun lang talaga siguro yung buhay, no? Ups and downs lang. Kasi it cannot be always perfect in a way, but we shouldn't also overlook the good things that happen to us. Hindi kasi masyado tayong kumbaga pag may negative na nangyari, yun ang focus natin, yun ang parang importante. Pero nakakalimutan natin na marami rin palang bagay na maganda na nangyari sa buhay natin despite na meron tayong mga hardships here and there. So, this new year, always be grateful that you are here. If you're having a hard time, that's part of life. And also, of course, kapalit nun, may good things din. Okay? Happy New Year, guys. Love you.